Sir Chester as well. Okay, so usually what I do is in-interview ko na yung mga hubs. Paano mas makilala ni mga manonood? Balay nyo, may mag-recommend sa inyo sa ibang mga works. And also, if you have any social media accounts that you want to promote, diba? Uso-uso na ngayon, diba? Meron kayong TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, kung nag-vlog man kayo. Yung misis ko ngayon, addict na addict sa TikTok shop. Nakakatakot, ayan. Tapos may mga nalalaglag din ng blessings na So, ano lang to, katuwaan na lang. Hindi na to part ng competition. This will not be judged by our judges. Kumbaga, para mas ma-relax na kayo. And next time around, when you are here in the Grand Finals, mas makapag-connect na rin kayo sa mga tao. Alright? Let's start out with hunk number 1. Alright, hunk number 1, simple lang, pakilala ka lang. Gusto mong pasalamatan ng mga tao, whether it be your handler or anyone here. At kung meron kang gustong i-promote, di ba? May social media accounts ka, Facebook, Instagram, kung nag-vlog ka man or nag-TikTok. Ito na, ang pagkakataon, ang daming nanonood. Ilan yung followers na madadagdag sa'yo. Alright, hunk number 1, take it away.
Hello everyone. My name is Christian Yan Cardacantil from Malate, Manila. Support me sa journey ko dito sa Manila Finance and thank you so much.
Alright brother, meron ka bang social media accounts or gusto pasalamatan na gusto i-promote? Meron? Okay na. Okay, sige. Alright, short but sweet si hunk number 1. Alright, now let's move on to hunk number 3. Yan, dami mga fans si hunk number 3. Alright brother, kung meron kang gustong i-promote, pasalamatan, pakilala ka muna.
Ako nga pala si Urson. Maraming salamat po sa mga kaibigan kong nandito. Salamat po.
Alright, wala kang gusto i-promote? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, hindi ka nag-TikTok? Yung Russian gym daw. Yan, Russian gym. With Coach Wes. Ayan, grabe. Kung gusto yung maging ganito yung katawan nyo, guys, ayun na, Russian gym. Sa gagalangin doon to, with Coach Wes. Yan, sasali na rin daw next time yung dad mo. Alright, hunk number 4. Take it away.
Hi everyone, my name is Dennis Maguire. I'm originally from Northern Samar, but currently I'm residing at Champaco, Taguig. And yeah, my Facebook account is Dennis Maguire. You can follow me or what's my name, just my country. Thank you.
Alright, that's Dennis Maguire. Keep on pronouncing your name as Magina. I do sincerely apologize. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you can follow him on the social media pages as Dennis Maguire, D-E-N-I-S Maguire. That's M-A-G-U-I-R-E. Yeah, thank you so much, Dennis Maguire. And last but not the least, brother, take it away.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Miss Cabrera po. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayong gabi. Maraming salamat.
Short but sweet din si Brother Vince. Vince, ikaw ba may gusto kayo promote? Any businesses? Okay na. Okay, maraming salamat. And of course, sa lahat ng handlers natin na nagdala ng mga kakabit, maraming salamat po sa inyo. At sa lahat ng mga friends, kapamilya na walang sawa sumusuporta sa ating mga hunks. Alright, here in my hands right now are our winners and wild card. Alright, so let me call in, of course, Sir Jonathan Alegre in helping me awarding ang ating mga nanalo sa hapon na ito. Once again, house, once your name are called, kindly proceed in front and magkita-kita tayo sa Grand Finals or sa wild card. Unang papasok sa Grand Finals ay si hunk number 1. Hunk number 1, Christian Ian Candil. Short but sweet. Siyempre, sa kanyang handler na talagang di magkanda o gaga kanina, all over the place. Maraming salamat sa inyo po, sir. You know what, our handlers and supporters, hindi sila masyadong napapasalamatan. Pero ako po personally, salamat po sa inyo dahil week in and week out, tinutulungan na po ang Talents Manila. Kasi may isitan sa Rama Complex. At susunod, nasasama kay Christian ay si hunk number? Lakas! Arson Artaho!
Lahat pasok. Hindi naman. Lahat pasok.
So that means meron tayong maraming bibili ng ticket sa Grand Finals. Kaya pang-reserve na po yung isang hilera dito sa grupo. Okay. Okay, so see you at Grand Finals. Book na na, December 7. Okay. Ay, fashion show mo pala. 7 yung November, sir, yung fashion show, sir. Okay. Nakakatuwa naman to. Ang huling papasok sa Grand Finals ay si number 4, Denise Maguire. Alright, hang number 2, wag kang maalis dahil ikaw ay pasok sa wild card. Palapakan po natin. Hang number 2, Vince Cabrera. All 4 of our hunks will get the chance, of course, to buy in for the Grand Finals. 3 of them going straight and 1 going to the wild card. Maraming salamat din sa Tansurama Complex. So all the people here, magkita-kita ulit tayo next week on the hottest show in the Metro. This is Manila's finest songs on this year 11. May save you learning about sa pag-uwi and God bless.